At Angry Orange, we believe odor is a problem worth solving. A few years ago, we developed the fastest growing pet deodorizer on Amazon, and we're back to introduce our latest odor eliminating spray, Eliminati. Eliminati is a versatile powerhouse. We created the best smelling, most effective bathroom deodorizer on the market. After testing, it turns out that Eliminati is a super versatile air freshener with natural disinfectant properties capable of destroying virtually any odor in any capacity. Formulated with natural essential oils and over 100 odor-fighting compounds, Eliminati destroys bad odors and lightly disinfects without any harsh chemical or medical smells, leaving behind only a fresh citrus scent of orange with notes of spice, eucalyptus, tea tree, and clove. We tested our competition in hundreds of our own scent profiles. Eliminati scored highest on both effectiveness and overall scent appeal. Simply put, this is the best deodorizer you will ever own. The powerful misting spray works both in the air and on surfaces. Wherever you have odor problems, Eliminati will be there for you. Join the Eliminati, back and share our project, and get the air freshener that can keep a secret.